Hi guys. Just a little video. Um, this is one of those K-Cups contraptions. I don't drink coffee. I don't like the taste. I love the smell of coffee, but not the taste. But anyways, so I got those little K-Cups for hot cocoa. So I'm gonna try it. I haven't used this very much. Like, I've used it once to make somebody else a cup of coffee. All right, so I got me a mug. A mug my aunt gave me. All right, so it has a door up here. This is the Hamilton Beach version. All right, so I filled water in there. Bet you could do it with milk. But these K-Cups do say it has milk and sugars and all that in it. So, all right, so this pulls out, if you can see that, this right here pulls out. And I'm sure the, like Keurig and all that, they've been around for a while, so I'm sure y'all are well versed in these things. But anyways, so this is the cup, and you put it in the hole there, and there's a little sharp point to puncture the thing. So as you can see, it went flush in there. Put this back in. All right, close that. Put my cup under and turn it on, and I'm gonna press this lever down. So I love hot chocolate. I like marshmallows. I haven't done anything like fancy marshmallows. I did do, me and my friend Tina, we made those hot chocolate bombs. Smaller ones, which were for one serving, which is perfect. They were rough looking, to say the least, for our first time making those things. But they were really good because it has a hard chocolate on outside, and that melts, plus the hot chocolate mix that you put inside the hard shells. So it was really chocolatey. It was good. Do y'all put like cinnamon or vanilla, or have y'all put one of those little cinnamon, I don't know, I don't think you would put a cinnamon stick, a peppermint stick. I haven't done anything fancy like that, you know. Just lots of marshmallows. Marshmallow fluff. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, it's starting to drip. Yay! Starbucks, their hot chocolate's good. I only can get the, is it the grande, the small one? Because it has so much sugar and stuff. Whew. I'm going into a sugar coma after one of theirs. But it's so good. So as we wait here awkwardly, so how y'all been doing? Move my glass out of the way. Oh goodness. Oh, let me get marshmallows. Oh, and it automatically turned off. Nice. These are the mini marshmallows. There. Nice and hot. Get a handful. I'm not sure if I need to stir it. It doesn't look like it needs to be stirred. That's pretty good. It's nice and hot too. Hot. That's why I'm spooning it in. I did pretty good. Pretty good. So that's how you make hot chocolate with the K-Cup. Buy some hot chocolate and enjoy.